How to repost Facebook stories. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. First, you want to open the Facebook app on your device. If you want to repost other story on your own story, then I'm going to show you how you can do that. The first step is to open up the story that you want to post. Now tap on this share button. Once you do, you're going to find the option of edit and share to your story. So tap on that option. Now over here you have the option to edit this story, so you can add filters or music, captions, whatever it is that you want. Once you do that, tap on share. Now if you tap on your story, here you can see you have successfully posted someone else's Facebook stories on your own. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.